What's up, Alexander Dean? I am looking at your week 5 submission here, and there are a couple of things that concern me. So it looks like you're transferring into NC State or ECU for the BSN. And these are courses that you've taken, like Bio 155. I don't even really know what that is, but I noticed a few peculiarities. Like this Philosophy 240 is in the courses you've taken, but it's also down here, so that's something you'll want to address. I also see things like Psych 259, which isn't anything we offer, and I don't know if it's equivalent to anything that is on your plan or required. But if we look at your, I'm looking at progress on your record. And you're in the AGEN, which is a little something different and I am unfamiliar with. But if it is your intention to complete this, I think there are some things missing here that you'll want to take in the coming months. This all is completely contingent on whatever your plan is, whether you want to finish here, maybe you don't, maybe you just want to transfer when you feel like it, or maybe you're intending to get into the nursing program here and this is just some down the road plan. It's all up to you, but I'm just going to talk to you about what I'm seeing here. To get the AGEN, you're going to need to take an English course that is literature. It looks like you've gotten your social sciences taken care of. It says complete 9 credits. Choose from these 3. Yeah. And then it wants you to take 3 of these, so of the various sociologies. And not all of those. I'm not sure if we offer all of those. But I know you're taking 68 and 69 is on your plan. These I am not familiar with, but of course you only need 8 credits, so you'll get that with these. Well, this is a degree plan I am unfamiliar with, honestly. But this is the way I started giving you advice. I was going to, just type you stuff, but I think maybe these videos are the better way to go. I think you need to go down to the College Transfer and Advising Center and talk to Peyton and make sure you are squared away. This particular degree plan, they have an awful lot of courses that you have to choose from. So if you're sticking with this plan, just make sure you're clicking over to Progress and selecting from the choices that are kind of mandated there. Now you might go to Peyton and she'll say, well, no, if it's your intention to get into the nursing program here or elsewhere before doing the BSN, then she might say, just focus on these things, and then you can have a more interactive discussion about what your realistic plan should be for the coming semesters. So, that said, this plan doesn't make a whole lot of sense to me. I'm going to give you credit for it anyway, but to me, the plan or the assignment here is of secondary importance. The primary importance is that you're going to get out of Wayne whenever you intend to and have whatever level of credits you wish to have before transferring or making your next move. So that is why I recommend that you go to the College Transfer and Advising Center as soon as you can, talk to Peyton Overby or one of her staff members, and just make sure you're squared away for the summer. And of course, you might even take some notes and talk to them about the fall and the spring. And what I recommend you doing is certainly taking notes, but coming back to your self-service and updating your plan accordingly to whatever they're walking you through, okay? And you drop them in to the new semester as you did here, and you'll probably in the next month or so be able to choose which sections you'd like to take in the summer. But in the meantime, something like this is just a placeholder that lets you know, yeah, it's my plan to take this then, and so forth. So I think your plan isn't quite where it needs to be. As for the terms of this class, it's less important to me than you making sure you know what you need to take when to get whatever it is you want. So that's it.